Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You are most welcome to my channel. We'll see her lunch. If it is your first time coming across my channel, or you have been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to the channel. Also turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss our videos, as soon as we upload them here in this channel. Trust me, this channel got to cover for latest hairstyles and nail designs. If you have been looking for a good channel to get all the trending and most stylish nail designs and hairstyles, then here is your go-to destination. Okay, get ready to take your nail game to the next level with us. Thank you so much as you subscribe to this channel. As you can see guys, today's video is not an exception as we have carefully selected most stylish and trending nail designs for my ladies. Cute and elegant acrylic nail designs for gorgeous ladies. So you guys watch this video from beginning to the end. You're gonna be discovering most amazing nail ideas that will definitely inspire your next manicure. Okay, so what we do in this channel is to bring latest styles for you to choose and make on your nails. So if you have any special occasion to attend, kindly do well to check our videos out. Okay, you can also check out of our videos. Just go into the channel and check out of our videos, for we have varieties, a lot of beautiful videos on nails that will definitely blow your mind. So you guys, as you watch our videos, kindly do well to support us by sharing and commenting. Okay, also like the video. Okay, you guys, giving this video a like will make it to reach a wider audience, so please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much my lady. To you my viewers who are always coming back to engage in our videos, to watch our videos, trust me, we do not take it for granted. We love you guys so much. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. God bless you guys and see you in our next video. Bye.